Children. Sixth question I'm telling you. I'm telling you sixth big children. Please listen. First, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find A and An is the question. This is how. So first term they have given children, B also they have given, Sn also they have given, 90 is given children, A and An we should find out. A and An we should find out. Okay children, so Sn is equal to 90. Sum of n terms is given as 90 children. So we know sum of n terms formula is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. Okay. This is given as 90. What is n children? We should find out. Okay, 2, 2. What is a children? They have given it as 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference. How much children? 8. Okay. So if you question 180 is equal to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8 children. Okay. So next one. 180 is equal to n into 8n minus 4. Okay. 180 is equal to 8n square minus 4. Okay, children, this also you bring here. So what happens? 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Okay, children, take 4 common. 2n square minus n minus 4, 4 jar 16, 5 is equal to 0. 4 will come down, children. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, children.
Sir, n value of
90, 45 to the 90 children. Middle one you should get. So for 90, 10 into 9 we take children. 10 into 9 is 90. 10 minus 9 is 1 children. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. 2n common is equal to n minus 5. So
an name 34.
Okay, very good. Okay, children. So n minus 5 you take common, children. N minus 5 you take common. Here I'm doing n minus 5 if you take common, children. What's left over? 2n plus 9. 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So n minus 5 is equal to 0. N is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. Okay. N is equal to 5. So n we found out, children. N we found out. Now an we should find out. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a, children? A is 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8. Okay, children. So 2 plus 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Okay, A5 we are finding. I mean to say fifth term we are finding. He asked you to find out fifth term. And fifth term is asked you to find out, children. So A5 is equal to please check, children, 34. What you write, children? Is what you write statement as 34. Fifth term is Emma. Fifth term is 34. Fifth term is 34. Fifth term is 34. Emma, what is your doubt?
Sir, akkada 10 into n and 10 into 9 rasaran sir 45.
Ekkada 45 2s are 90 kadamma. 45 2s are 90. Factorization lo 45 2s are 90. 10 into 90 is 90. 10 minus 9 is 1. Factorization lo 45 2s are 90. Madhyalo 1 ravali. What are the two factors? 10 9s are 90. 10 minus 9 is 1. 45 2s are 90. Factorization. Splitting the middle term. Amma.
Sir, n only 5 తీసుకున్నారు sir, minus 9 by 2 కూడా ఉంది కదా sir.
తీసుకోవద్దు. n 2n is equal minus 9. ఇనాలమ్మా చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఏంటంటే 2n is equal to minus 9, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. n can never take minus values, children. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది, సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఎక్కడన్నా minus 9 by 2 టర్మ్ ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. n will take only natural numbers, no integers, no fractions, no decimals. n will take only natural numbers. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది, సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది. 9 by half 4.5 టర్మ్ ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. అండ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ minus 4.5 ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది, అస్సలు ఉండదు. సో దట్స్ వై ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ టేక్ దట్ వాల్యూ, children. You should try to understand, children. Okay, copy down neatly, children. Copy down neatly. Okay, next sum. Whenever I am saying, you please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Next, seventh sum, children. Seventh sum. Choose computer. seventh sum చూడండి. Seventh sum is A is given as 8 children. A is given as 8. An is given as 62. Sn is given as 210. He's asking you to find out N and D. Okay, N and he is asking you to find out common difference. So children, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus. First term is there, last term is there. I will use this term A plus An, because first term is there, last term is there. I will use this formula. This is 62. This is how much children? 8 plus N minus 1 into common difference. Okay, this comes here children. 62 minus 8 is 54 is equal to N minus 1 into D. Whenever I want, I will use this. This is 210. Okay children, N we don't know. N by 2 into A is how much children? 8. An is how much children? 62. Please all of you should concentrate children. This is 420. This is 420. N into 70. Okay, 70 comes down. N is equal to 420 by 70. So 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. N we got children. How much? N is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. So 54 is equal to this 6. I am substituting here. 6 minus 1 into common difference. Please concentrate all of you. 5D. D is equal to 54 by 5. That is 10.8. Common difference is 10.8. Common difference can be negative, decimal, fraction. Anything is okay, but N cannot be negative or decimal. Fraction cannot be. N cannot be negative or fraction. Common difference can be negative or fractional, whatever it is, no problem. 10.8 is the common difference. Copy down children, copy down. Common difference can be anything children. Don't worry. Okay. Next one. Please copy down. Shall I run this? Yeah. Okay children, whatever I teach this week, that test only will be there children this week. Okay, whatever I teach, be thorough with those topics. Be thorough. Okay. Next, 8th bit I am doing children. All of you see 8th bit. How much An is given children? 4. D is given as 2. Sn is given as minus 14. N you should find out, and also A you should find out children. Okay, all of you please check children. So Sn is equal to 14. An is equal to 4. An formula is what children? A plus N minus 1 into D. Sn formula is what children? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay children, An is how much? 4. A plus N minus 1 into D is how much children? 2. Okay, so 4 is equal to A plus 2N minus 2. Okay, it will cut this cost. It will become 6 children. A plus 2N. Whenever it is required, we will use this. Okay, Sn is equal to minus 14 N by 2 into 2A plus D is how much children? 2 here. N minus 1 into 2.
Sir,
Okay.
N values.
Okay, very good. N into Chodalma. I will put children A value I will put as 6 minus 2N. Please all of you concentrate. A I am putting 6 minus 2N. That I will substitute here. Children, A I will take 6 minus 2N. That I will substitute here. 6 minus 2N plus 2N minus 2. Okay. So minus 28 is equal to N into 2 6 are 12 minus 2 2s are 4N plus 2N minus 2. Please concentrate children. 12 minus 2 is 10, minus 4N plus 2N is minus 2. Okay children, so minus 28 is equal to 10N minus 2N square. Okay children, I hope you are able to understand. Here I am continuing. So this all things I will bring here. So 2N square minus 10N plus 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. Okay, if you take common children, N square minus 5N minus 14 is equal to 0. N square minus 5N minus 14 is equal to 0. 7 2s are 14 children. 7 2s are 14 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Factorization. Okay, all of you check out the factorization children. Check out the factorization. Okay, I am rubbing this and I am doing the sum children. I am rubbing this. Okay, I am rubbing this and doing factorization. Be careful children when I am doing the factorization. All of you concentrate. So what children? N square minus 5N, we will write it as minus 7N plus 2N minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, N if you take common, N minus 7 plus 2 if you take common, N minus 7 is equal to 0. Compulsory this and this we should say get same. n minus 7 or n plus 2. So n can be 7 or n can be minus 2. But I told n will never take integers, fractions, decimals. N is always natural number. So n is equal to 7 is the answer. And a you should find out. A how much we got, children? 6 minus 2n. A how much we got, children? 6 minus 2n. That if you find out. So
-8.
that also will do, children. So a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Ante a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. A is equal to 6 minus 14. A is equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8. N is equal to 7 and A is equal to minus 8. You should do like this sums. Copy it on easy, children. Copy it on neatly fast. Don't waste time. Okay. I hope you are copying. Next. 90 some children. 90 some will do. Check. We'll do 90 bit. 90 bit will do. So A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S is equal to 192. You have to find out D. Very easy, some children. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Direct substitution. All of you will get it. Try, children. Directly they have given 192. N is 8 given. 2. 2 into 3 they gave. N is 8 minus 1. Common difference you should find. That's all. 2 4 is 8. 192 is equal to 4 into 12 plus 70. Try to do, children. 4 will come down. 192 by 4 is equal to 12 plus 70. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32. 48 is equal to 12 plus 70. 36 is equal to 70. 36 is equal to 36 is equal to 70. Am I doing correct, children? 36. 4 4 is 16. 4 8s are 32.
Sir, 2 3s are 6 కదా సార్.
Huh? 2 3s
2
are
3
6. 2 3s are 6. Yeah. 2 3s are 6 children. So here also 6 children. So here also 6 will come. So 6 comes here. 48 minus 6 is 42. 42 is equal to 70. 7 comes down. D is equal to 42 by 7 is 6. Common difference is 6. Answer compulsory. You should block the answer. Okay, children. Last sum. Copy on, children, first. 10th bit, children. All sums you practice 2 times, 3 times, children, daily. Please practice the sums because this week sums I will give for Sunday exam. And sum. Last term is 28. Last term anna A and anna 28, same thing, children. S is equal to 144. Okay. And there are 9 terms, he said. There are 9 terms, he said. Find A, children. He said 9 terms are there. He said 9 terms are there. Means ninth term is last term. Ninth term is last term. Indirectly saying ninth term is last term. So A9 is L is 28. Okay. So find A. We know Sn is equal to S sum of 9 terms is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Directly. Sum of 9 terms he only gives, 144. 9 by 2 into A you want. Last term is given as 28. Okay, now children, this will go up to 88 is equal to 9 into A plus 28. 9 comes down, children. 288 by 9 is equal to A plus 28. 9 3s are 9 2s are 32 is equal to what will get, children? 32 is equal to A plus 28. This comes here. A is equal to 4 is the first term of AP. 4 is the first term of AP. Like this, children. 4 is the first term of AP. Like this, you should do slowly, neatly.